In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find W-2 on TurboTax. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in TurboTax to view, add, or update your W-2 information so you can keep your return moving without any guesswork. First, make sure you're signed into your TurboTax return and that you're working in the current tax year. The layout can vary slightly depending on your device, but the navigation is consistent. On the main left-hand menu, start by selecting Federal. This opens the section that controls your federal return and unlocks the income categories you'll use to report your job earnings. Next, move your mouse to the income area. Depending on your screen size, you may see it labeled as Income or Wages and Income. If you're on a phone or tablet, you might tap to expand this section instead of hovering. The goal is simply to open the income list so you can get to the W-2 tools. From there, choose Wages and Salaries. This is the dedicated hub for W-2s from your employers. If you've already started your return, you might see any W-2s you entered earlier listed here. If this is your first time in the section, it may look empty. Both are perfectly normal. Now, select Add Another W-2. If you don't have any W-2s yet, this may appear as Add a W-2. Either option takes you to the same place, the W-2 entry screen. This is where you'll add a new W-2 for your return. If TurboTax offers to help you import from your employer or payroll provider, you can review that option here. Otherwise, you can enter the details directly from the paper or digital W-2 you received. Keep your form handy so you can match what's on the page. If you worked multiple jobs, you'll come back to this same spot and repeat the process for each employer. A couple of quick tips while you're here. If you need to fix something you previously entered, look for the Edit option next to that W-2 in the Wages and Salaries list. If you added one by mistake, you can remove it from that same list before filing. And if your screen looks a little different, use the search bar inside TurboTax and search for W-2. Then follow the prompt to jump directly to this section. That's it. Click Federal, open Income, go to Wages and Salaries, and choose Add Another W-2. With those steps, you'll always know where to find your W-2 area in TurboTax and be ready to add or review your information with confidence.